then crust. So this is fine. Now we have to put our filling in there, the mango mixture inside. Just make sure it doesn't overflow when you close it. So you have to be careful the quantity of the mango that you're putting in. And now we have to close it. So now we're closing it. We have to fold. Okay, now it's fold. And now we have to close the edges using the fork. So we just have to press it on all edges. And so now this is how it looks like. Our mango pie. So now this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, the finished product of our mango pie. So this is how it is. It is very easy to make, especially for the wrapper. It doesn't take time. I show you how it looks like now. So we have to cut. This is how it looks like inside. It's pretty, isn't it? So nice. Good afternoon and happy weekend. So today it's Friday in Dubai, so we have decided that we will go to the beach. So now before we go, actually we are all set to go, we are all ready, but I'm just gonna make a quick snack.
And Dada's asleep right now, but we're gonna wake him up.
Yes, so right now I'm gonna make a mango pie. So I'll show you on how I'll make my mango pie. So please keep on watching. So now our pan is heated up. So we have to dump through our ripe mango. I have here 3 cups of ripe mango. We put it in. Just put it inside. So we have to cook the mango until it becomes soft. So we have to cook it in a medium flame.
It's too hot.
Yes. And also until the juice will come out.
Yeah.
So you just have to keep stirring it.
If it's juice come out from the orange.
No, this is mango, not orange.
Mango. If it's come out like juicy, like a mango, like I forgot that name. The beach.
So now we can add our brown sugar. If you have white, just okay. Brown I'm using. This is about 2 tablespoons. But it's depend of course of your sweetness of your mango. If it's sweet already, so you just add less sugar. Or if it's sour, then you can add little more. But since my mango is quite sweet, so I'm adding only 2 tablespoons would be sufficient.
Because this salting is not good for you.
This is sugar, not salt.
No, I'm just talking because it's not good for your health.
Yeah.
Only little.
Yes.
You want to make lemon juice, and then you add a little bit of sugar because it's not good for you.
Yes. And now it's time to put our lemon juice. Lemon juice, just about 1 tablespoon. But this is just an optional. So now, they just have to cook this until it's becoming mushy. Yes. And now this is okay. We can put our, I have here, this is cornstarch.
And
1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch with
water.
yes, just to dissolve the cornstarch. And we put it in and then give a good stir.
Whoa.
Until it's well mixed.
If you smell it, it tastes good, but be careful with your hands. Remember last video? I got.
So now, as you can see, this is okay now, perfect.
This is
So
okay. I'm really perfect.
so we have to transfer this in a bowl and sit aside until it gets cooled down.
Yeah, the hot tea.
So now this is finished. We are done cooking our mango pie mixture. Now I'll show you on how I'll make my crust or apple pie wrapper. So please keep on watching. This is 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and I have here 1/4 cup chilled butter. I have cut into small cubes, so you just have to dump it here inside. And Isabella will give a good mix.
Good mix, guys.
Yes, good mix. You have to mix it properly.
Yeah, mix it with this, guys. It's nice.
So now I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of brown sugar. Not so much.
Yeah,
And
that's how much.
just 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just to
Salt.
balance the taste.
Balance.
And then Isabella will give a good mix. Just
Yeah,
mix
again.
it nicely. So after this, we're gonna put
water.
water and mix well again. And then we'll need 1 egg.
1 egg. Okay, good. Stir it.
Just stir, please. Stir. And we have to mix,
Do it.
and it should
Mama,
be well
do it.
combined. So I'm doing it.
Because it's too hard for me when you
Yes.
pour the water.
Yes.
Okay.
So now this time, in this stage, we have to use our hand, but this one is not working at all. So make sure you wash your hands clean before you touch the dough. So this is perfect, guys. We have to sit aside for 20 minutes. So now this is okay. It was be sitting for 20 minutes. So as you can see, this is perfect. So now we have to dust our surface with corn flour so it doesn't stick. Just a little bit. So we have to cut this into half. Okay, so now we start rolling it. Make sure when you're using your kitchen surface or kitchen counter, you should have to first at least clean it. So now we start rolling it. So So we have to make sure that the thickness, it should be around 2 to 3 mm. So this is perfectly fine for me. And now we have to cut in a square shape. Should be in a square shape. So this is perfect for me. And then now again we have to cut here half and then cross. So this is fine. Now we have to put our filling in here, the mango mixture inside. Just make sure it doesn't overflow when you close it. So you have to be careful the quantity of the mango that you're putting in. And now we have to close it. So now we're closing it. We have to fold. Okay, now it's fold. And now we have to close the edges using the fork. So we just have to press it on all edges. And so now this is how it looks like. Our mango pie. So now this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, the finished product of our mango pie. See? So now we have to do the rest, the same procedure. So now this is my mango pie. So now guys, after we do our wrapping our mango pie, we will require another for finishing. So we will be needing another 1 egg to brush off our mango pie before we will cook it. So I have here an egg, and we will require a half tablespoon of water to mix. So in this bowl, I have 1 egg and a half tablespoon of water. You have to beat this up. And after this, we have to brush our pie. So now we have here the egg. We just have to brush our pie, but I don't have the actually brush. So what I'll do, guys, sorry, I'm using my hand. I don't have actually the brush. I'm using it by hand. I hope you don't mind. And now let's start cooking this. So now I have a pan and oil here. It's all heated up. So now we just have to dump our pie slowly, so it doesn't hurt you, the cooking oil. Just have to dump slowly and let it get cooked like golden brown. So now this is perfect. It's already brown, so we have to remove this. And you should use the kitchen towel so it will absorb the excess oil. Okay, now again we have to dump more. You have to be careful on doing it. So now guys, this is done. This is finished. we'll do the plating. So guys, we are finished cooking our mix. So this is how it is. It is very easy to make, especially for the wrapper. It doesn't take time. Now guys, I show you how it looks like now. So we have to cut. This is how it looks like inside. It's pretty, isn't it? So nice. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something from it today. This is actually perfect for snacks and also healthy. So I'll see you to my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Please